Lo. Buti, di pa ako nagsastart eh. Hindi pa ako nagsastart. Kaya mo na guys. Hey guys, goodbye to the channel. Today, nandito tayo sa magandang game. Para play or die lang. Kapalit lang ito. Ayan no. Save a friends. Ano kaya ito? Ano pa naman? Ano ba ito? Kulang ng baliw? Kakatak naman? Ano na ba ito? Ay, parang gusto ko matulog dito. Teka, mas nasa taas ito? Red? Hindi si baka red dito.
You've entered the most astonishing game show on earth. Players are divided into 2 teams. Winning teams secure safety through elimination. Spend this time getting to know your team before the first minigame. You will all be playing King of the Hill. The team who stays on top the longest will win. 2, 1, go!
Tara. Pasaran na. Uy. Security na lalo. Kisig tayo, oh. Guys, ano kaya ito? Uy, kasi nga na tayo. Pwede na magtitiputan.
It seems the balloons has lost.
Kasi na naman, kisig tayo.
Your team is now tasked with determining the elimination candidate.
No, please.
There are only 2 options left. And you're the last one saved to play. I bite you. You're not actually eliminated. The moment that
Yes. Loh, ano kaya ito?
Pick up the ball and twist it to get it in the boys. Be careful. Falling is of concussions.
Siyempre, boss, dito. Kailangan, yung mga ibang mabibigat. Wag natin nga po akin kagayin. Team wins. Sakto to ah. Save kami. Guys, ito manalo. Sarap manalo dito.
It seems the blue team has lost. Now it's time for your team to decide who should be eliminated. There are only 2 choices remaining.
Kayo ah.
And you are the last one saved tonight.
Nice.
The moment has arrived for your
Yes. Bra. Sabi bra. Bakas tanggal.
teams have been shuffled. Say hello to your new teammates.
Nag-greeting na kayo. Galing nyo. Red team ha. Galing nyo tayo.
Step on the tiles to change your team's colors. The team that claims the majority of the tiles shall emerge victorious.
Sana manalo tayo.
You did it!
Yung peso ito manalo dito ah. Pwede nanalo tayo.
The moment is getting pushed off. Last team standing wins.
Oops. Haha.
Good job! You did it!
Guys, natalo ulit tayo. Uy, tumatawa ka naman dyan masama tumawa. Katais din ah. Look.
Teams have been shuffled. Say hello to your new teammates.
Luto ulit tayo. Ano gusto ko din? Luto ulit mananalo yan.
Those are really like that ball as well. The team with the most players at the top will win.
Lutin. Lapila dun oh. Blue team wins. Red team.
It's a free-for-all now. Only the winners of each minigame are safe from elimination.
Bakit ganun lahat kami magkakalaban, guys? Lahat kami magkakalaban. Tara.
Press the correct arrows to copy my dance moves. coordinates will be added each round. The player with the best memory shall win.
Guys, wala nanalo. Sa kulit tayo. Wala nanalo, guys. Wala nanalo. Ba't tayo lahat? Kano tayo?
Player to meet the obstacle course with winning immunity. Good luck.
Paunahan tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ay, nahulog, Mars. Nahulog. Nahulog eh. Nahulog ko. Malas. Ito panalo. Daya. Ito panalo. Boboto ka naman mamaya. Sigurado ako. Guys, talo tayo. Talo tayo.
Let's switch up this time. The player that won immunity was decided to eliminated.
Talo. I-winner? Who? Sino kaya yun? Sino kaya? Sa alam ko. No. Sigurado siya matatanggal. Boboto ka mamaya. Tara, kailangan sa manalo. Panalo siya, magaling talaga siya. Boboto pa yung mamaya. Guys, hindi ko maano. Guys, hindi ko maano. Hindi ko makabalo. Manalo din. Guys, bilisan natin. Ayan. Low speed. This. Low button. Please. No button. No. Please.
Just falls down. It looks like only two choices remain. And you're the last one saved tonight. Congratulations, finalists! One of you will be eliminated tonight. Enjoy the beautiful dinner that is prepared for you.
Guys, nandito na tayo. Dali na. Sobrang dali. Uy. Buti hindi nabuton. Siguro ako naman nanalo dito. Ako mananalo dito. Ako mananalo. Mananalo dito.
You are the winner, my friend! Congratulations! Yes! You made it possible!
Mananalo dito. Meron ano dito.
How are you so good at this game? I need
Ako win. This is great for you. I am going to